This is the unit circle. The basic unit circle has a radius of 1. A circle consists of 360 degrees. The main 3 degrees in the quadrant 1 are the 30 degrees, the 45 degrees, and the 60 degrees. The pi's used in the unit circle measure the distance you travel in any arc. An example of this is if you have pi over 6, which is approximately 12% of the whole circle, you can then find the arc length of any circle if you have the radius. The points on the graph can be used by having cosine and sine of x degrees, or whatever this is. So this is 30 degrees. The cosine of 30 degrees is the square root of 3 over 2. And the sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. That's how you write the points. You can find the tangent of each degree, which in this case we're using the 30 degrees, by taking the sine of x, which is 1/2, divided by the cosine of x, which is the square root of 3 over 2, when we're using 30 degrees, which gives you a tangent of the square root of 3 over 3. If you can remember the pi over 6, the pi over 4, and the pi over 3, it can be easy to find out what the other pi's are on the unit circle by a method that I use. The way it works is if you have pi over 6 and you want to find the fraction of the pi over here, which is 150 degrees, in quadrant 2, then you use a whole number, which is 1, minus pi over 6, which the whole number can also be 6 over 6 minus the pi over 6, which equals 5 pi over 6, which is over here. And you can do that for the pi over 4 and the pi over 3 the same way. 4 over 4 minus pi over 4 equals 3 pi over 4, and the same thing with pi over 3. You can also use this method in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. To find out where this pi over 6 goes over here in the third quadrant is you just follow this line all the way across, and you'll get this whatever pi over 6. If you don't know how to find it, you just do the same thing as we did over here. But instead of subtracting pi over 6, you just add pi over 6 to get 7 pi over 6. And you can do the same thing over here. You, instead of having the whole number 1 minus 2 pi over 3, you just have 1 plus 2 pi over 3. And you just follow this line, and you get 5 pi over 3. And you can do that for all these numbers right here. Just add to get the quadrant 3 and quadrant 4.